Here are the top news stories from India and around the world this week, covering economy, policy, global affairs, and key incidents. Delhi's air quality remains in the severe category as temperatures drop, raising public health concerns. India's exports rose by 5%, led by growth in the pharma, textile, and technology sectors. The government has launched the Digital Rural India Mission 2025, aiming to expand high-speed internet and e-learning access across villages. Indian Railways introduced an AI-driven fraud detection system for ticketing to curb misuse and black marketing. Jammu and Kashmir was recognized as a top achiever in ease of doing business, signaling improved investment potential. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated several development projects in Gujarat and honored the legacy of tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda. The 56th International Film Festival of India kicked off in Goa, celebrating global cinema. Odisha set a global benchmark in ecotourism, highlighting sustainable travel initiatives in state-managed reserves. A mine collapse in Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh, killed one person, while rescue efforts continue for 10 trapped workers. India imported 2.5 billion euros worth of Russian oil in October to secure energy needs ahead of new sanctions. Authorities arrested a suspect linked to a New Delhi car blast that killed 10 people earlier this week. In Bangladesh, a tribunal sentenced ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to death for crimes against humanity. Dhaka remains under tight security. Iran has halted uranium enrichment at all nuclear sites following international pressure. The UAE officially launched the digital dirham, its new central bank digital currency. At the COP30 summit in Brazil, activists urged world leaders to accelerate the transition away from fossil fuels. The United States is considering an end to the H-1B visa program, potentially impacting thousands of Indian professionals. Japan's economy contracted by 1.8% in Q3 due to US tariffs, impacting exports. The European Union introduced stricter cybersecurity and data laws to protect against rising digital threats. The United Nations reported over 100,000 Afghans detained in Pakistan in 2025. Israel announced it will not support a Palestinian state ahead of a key UN vote. Ukraine proposed a 1,200 prisoner exchange deal with Russia amid ongoing negotiations. A deadly bus crash in Medina, Saudi Arabia, killed 42 Umrah pilgrims, including Indian nationals. In Chile, the presidential elections are heading toward a runoff between hard-right and communist candidates. Australia and New Zealand closed multiple schools after asbestos was found in play sand. Deadly landslides in Vietnam and a mine collapse in the Congo caused several fatalities, prompting international rescue support. That's your news roundup for this week. Stay informed, stay safe, and join us next week for more updates from India and around the world.